Today I am gonna show you how to install VLC media player on Mac. Click Safari and type VLC media player for Mac on search bar. Click on this website and select whatever you want. Mine is Intel processor, so I am selecting Intel. Now it's downloading. Wait for the download. After downloading, open Finder and open Downloads and click on VLC. It will process. And now you need to drag VLC into applications so that it will be added in the applications. It is downloading successfully. Just you have 1 minute to go. Yeah, that's it. Now it's done. Thank you. And also don't forget to subscribe.